Log in to the Škoda Connect portal using your email address and password. Select Vehicle Status. The basic information about the status of your vehicle will be displayed, such as fuel tank level and fuel range, days left to oil service or regular inspection, and whether the windows and doors are closed, the lights turned off, and the car locked. You can also track this information in the Škoda Connect app. Select the vehicle icon and swipe to the Status tab. As soon as the data is updated, you'll get the current information. You can also track this information in the smart watch.